This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So far we completed stock transport orders, intra and intercompany. In intra, two types of STOs we discussed, and in intercompany also we discussed type 3 STO yesterday. That is STO with SD shipping and STO with billing. So in MMSD integration, one more topic is there. So that is called third party procurement. Okay. So what is the third party procurement? How to handle this third party procurement? That's we will discuss in today. So this third party procurement is also called as a special procurement. Here also you'll see some SD involvement here. Okay, this is also called MMSD integration. Now, what is third party procurement? How to handle this third party procurement? The third party procurement is also called as a triangular procurement here. Okay, the third party procurement is a special procurement, and this third party procurement is also called as a triangular procurement here. Okay, now in this procurement process, generally in real time. Okay, so here some customers is there. Okay, some couple of customers for any company, they'll request the material. Okay, so here let me, here I have some customers there. The customer will inquire the material to the company, some XYZ customer. So what he will do, he will create a PO. The customer will create a PO to the company. The company to dispatch the material to the customer here. But the particular material, whatever the requesting by the customer here, the material is not available at company. So what the company will do in the company system, they will create a sales order. When they will create a sales order, the system automatically creates a purchase requisition in the company. The purchase requisition will convert to the purchase order. The purchase order will be given to the vendor here. The purchase order will be given to the vendor. The purchase order will be given to the vendor. The vendor directly dispatched to the customer here. So here there is no direct relation between customer and vendor here. That's what it is called third party procurement here. In third party procurement is a special procurement, also called as a triangle procurement. So in this, generally the customers will request some materials from the company. In the company, they will create a sales order. So whenever they are creating sales order, the system will create automatically purchase requisition as per the SPR settings. So these purchase requisition will be converted into purchase order. The purchase order will be given to the vendor. The vendor directly dispatched to the customer here. The customer will give the acknowledgement here. Yes, we received the material. Then, as usual, the vendor will give us the invoice copy. The company will pay to the vendor because the vendor is giving the invoice copy to the company. So again, we need to prepare invoice in our system. This invoice will go to our internal FI and they will pay to the vendor. And also in company, we will create a billing document in VF0 transaction code. So these billing documents will give to the customer and customer will pay to the company. Now, in this actually, mostly what kind of materials will plan for third party procurement? Mostly, so like trading goods here. So the trading goods will come to the company. So any material type you can, any materials you can create, but mostly in general, so like Hava trading goods will come under the third party procurement. So the step one, we need to create a metal master. So step one, you need to create a metal master with the sales use and select the material type Hava material. Okay, so material type Hava here. So let me do one by one step here. Third party procurement. Go to login pad. So go to login. So first step one. So you can write down step one, create a material with material type Hava and align with the basic MMS sales views also. Go to MM01, enter your industry sector and enter your material type is Hava here. So mostly the material type Hava trading goods will come under third party procurement. So select your material type as Hava trading goods here. Go to selection views. So the basic MMS. So you must select the sales views also here. The basic MMS, you need to select the sales views, basic data and sales views like sales organization 1 to 3, purchasing and general branch to location accounting 1. Go to org levels, enter the plant and store location and enter your sales organization. Okay. Enter your sales organization and enter the distribution channel. Enter your plant, store location. So here, why? Because it's MMS integration, right? So you must create material with the sales vis here. So along with your basic MMS, you must create the sales vis and material type also. Trading goods will come under the third party procurement. So that's what I have selected. Material type is Hawaii. Click on continue. So this is the material 1533. So this is a test for a third party procurement. Okay, third party process. Test for third party procurement. Base rate of measure PC and some material group. Okay, in sales organization one view, you know only tax information we need to enter it. So in sales organization one view, enter tax information. The tax is exempted or liable for tax. So just I'm saying tax is exempted. In sales organization two view, here you need to write a note. In sales organization two view, so your item category group you need to take as a bands here. Item category group you need to take as a bands here. What is this bands? Bands means third party item. In sales organization two view, okay, so you need to take as a third party item here. Sales organization two view in metal master. So it will when the with the material when you are creating sales order, automatically the system will convert into third party item. Okay, so select here sales organization two view that as a third party item. Okay, in sales organization two view you need to select as a third party item. The bands you need to click on continue. And sales organization three view enter the transport group as well as loading group. So this already transport group and loading group triple zone. Yesterday we observed. In the purchasing view, enter your purchasing view. So here enter some moving price. So step one, create one material. Step two, create vendor here. Step one, create a material 1533. Step two, create a vendor. Okay. So we have 1000 vendor. Step three, create a customer here. Step three, create a customer. Where you will create a customer already you know. Step three, create a customer in XD01 transition code here. Go to XD01 transition code. So here we will create a customer. Go to XD01, create a customer. How to create a customer here? So the customer is same. So select the account group, enter your company code, enter your setup sales area, sales organization, distribution division. Okay. Here simply you need to click on continue, enter your setup sales area. Okay. So here company. This is some test customer third party process here. Okay. Now just enter the name of the customer here. It is some ABC. Enter the transport zone. Customer is belongs to which. So this is a general. So enter the general data of the customer. Same like vendor master general data. Now go to company code data. In company code data, reconciliation account is mandatory field. Enter the reconciliation account. And next, come to the sales area data. Sales area data come to shipping. So enter your delivery priority. Delivery priority, normal priority or high priority. Shipping condition as soon as possible. Shipping condition. And go to billing documents. So same like yesterday I was showing customer, right? The same way you need to in shipping into enter the delivery priority and here coming to billing documents, enter the tax information. You need to click on save. So step one, created a material. Step two, create a vendor, and step three, created a customer. Okay, these three master data we need to prepare here. Okay. So what is my customer number? The system will give you a customer number. The customer number is 100192. The customer number is 100192. Okay. Now please observe this customer 100192. The customer 100192 customer. Okay, what is my customer number? 100192. Customer So this is the customer is requesting the material to the company. So assume that they created an order to the company here. Okay. So one P1 number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The company will receive the order from the customer here. In the company, what they will do, so directly they will create a sales order. So directly this company people, what these people will do, they will create a sales order here. Okay. Now what is the transition code? First time you are going to see, right? So VH01. So VH01 is the transition code to create sales order here. So create a sales order. Okay. So here we need to write down. So the company is received the order from the customer. Okay. Then company people, we are creating sales order in VH01 transition code. Go to VH01. So to create sales order. So here like in purchasing, we have so many purchase documents. So this is sales order. Actually, this is not our transaction. So this purely SD people is involved. But order type you need to take OR here. So order type is a standard order. Order type is the standard order. Okay, so order type is the OR is a standard order. Enter your sales organization, distribution and division. Okay, enter your sales organization, distribution and division here. Order type is OR, okay, standard order. And you can create sales order. So without any reference, okay, or with reference also here. Okay, like PO, how you are creating, the SD people, they will create a sales order with reference to quotation and all. So simply you need to click on continue. Right. See, what is your customer number? 100192, right? Enter your customer number 100192. Okay, so here sold to party means which customer is requesting, and ship to party means which customer I need to dispatch here. If I not enter, system will pick automatically ship to party also. Same customer here 100192. Means sold to party and ship to party both are same here. So first time we are entering, so the system is going to compile. Okay, so the same customer here. But what is your material code? 1533, right? Which material here? 1533. And how much quantity customer is requesting? 100 quantity. For which plant here? So enter the quantity. So enter all these details. Now please observe the P1 number. Okay, this is the customer PO number. Anything you can enter or you can leave it here. On which date you received the PO from the customer? What is my PO number? Like PO number is some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 example. But it is optional field. But for reference purpose in real time, they will enter what is the PO number is customer PO number and on which date the customer is requesting. Once you enter all these details, I-10 category will be selected because you selected in Material Master bands, right? I-10 category group we selected bands. So once you click on enter, the system will take the I-10 category as TOS here. TOS means third party item. So where is TOS? TOS means third party. You don't need to enter manually. The system automatically picks the TOS here. Okay, third party item. System automatically select the I-10 category TOS here, third party. Okay. Now, again, we need to click on enter here. Okay. So now simply you need to continue. The system automatically picks the third party item as TOS here. Okay. So here so system will pick the third party item category TOS here. So it is what is showing price error. Mandatory condition MWST is missing. It is showing it. Okay, no problem. So however, we are not into SD, right? So completely the SD people they will create, but actually we don't have. Okay, so command in this transition. So we have like PO for the sales people. They have some sales order. Okay, but we don't know what is the fields. Still we need to enter. So now the SAP has been this option from edit. We click on incomplete lag from menu bar edit. If you click on incomplete lag, the system will show you what are the fields still you need to click. Okay, from edit, if you click on incomplete log, so the system will show you what are the fields need to be completed. Again, you need to click on complete data. So here again you need to click on data here, complete data. The system will show you the Incoterms. So here CFR. So this is actually just for CFR. The terms of payment here, like some through terms of payment here. You can enter all these details. And here again it is showing. So where I need to go? I need to go to this pricing. Okay, so go to complete data. The system will check you MWST, right? So go to MWST and some enter here. So no condition record is found for MWST here. Okay, there is no condition record is saying. So like why it is showing MWST is mandatory it is showing, right? So Now remove this here, MWST here. So it is showing here, MWST is missing, it is showing here. Okay. So now come back here. What is the error system is showing here? Mandatory condition MWST is missing here. Okay. So mandatory condition MWST is missing. We are getting this error. It is purely SD event. It is not your. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. So this navigation is not required for you people here. So go to materials management. Sorry, sales and distribution. In sales and distribution, okay. Go to basic functions. In basic functions, go to pricing, price control. So define and assign pricing procedures and maintain pricing procedures. RVAA01. Okay, this is the standard one. RVAA01 is the standard one. Go to control data. So here MWST is missing, it's showing. Okay, so MWST is missing, it is showing, right? So scroll it, maybe downside. Okay. Where is MWST? Just you identify. Yes, MWST required condition. So this MWST is a this is a line, right? So required condition is there. I removed here. Okay, so optional, make it optional. So for required to, I maintain option here. Now come to here. Again, you will go back. Because once again I need to come back here. So because I need to go back and I need to enter this here. Click on cancel. Once again you go. So VA01 create sales order. Enter the order type. So enter your okay. So your customer number. The system will pick the automatically here. Which material 1533. How much quantity customer is requesting 100 quantity. And enter your plant. Which plant your 1000 plant. Enter all these details. System will pick toss item category. Select the item and go to edit incomplete log. The system will show you what are the fields need to be completed. Click on complete data. Okay. Again, you need to click on complete data. So enter your Incoterms and enter your terms of payment here. Okay. And all these details. Click on continue. Okay. Now so now if I go back here, what happened here? Now it will show you document is completed here. Document is completed here. Okay. So once you will get this document is completed, you need to click on save. The sales order will be created here. So after creating the sales order, now sales order is created. What is my sales order number? 12061. My sales order number is 12061. Okay. So now please go and so once the sales order is created, now I need to check the purchase requisition is created automatically or not. Where I can check missing. So after creating the sales order, go to VA03, the display of the sales order. Observe the sales order number. Okay. Now to identify your PR number, so go to VA03, display of the sales order. Go to VA03, display the sales order. So the system will pick the latest sales order number. Now click on continue. Okay. Now go to procurement tab. Go to procurement tab. Select the line item. Select the line item. Schedule lines for the item. Schedule lines for the item. Observe your purchase request number. Observe your purchase request number. 1001356. Okay. So here go to procurement tab. Select the line item. Click on schedule lines for the item. You can observe the purchase request number here. Okay. Once again, I'll show you how to see the purchase request number. So go to BA03. Display the sales order. Enter your sales order number. So go to procurement tab. So schedule lines for the item. If you click on schedule lines for the item, observe your PR number, purchase request number. Okay. So 1001356. Okay. Now once you observe this purchase request number, now once again actually this purchase request is created by the system, not by the user. You go to simply ME53N. Let us see, will display at the PR also. So this purchase request is created by the system. Okay. Now observe your PR number. This is the PR number here. Now this PR is created by the system. Okay, automatically. Now you can see why system is showing one means third party. Why it is showing one is third party? Because in general previously what we have to, the material is received to the company, but this time that we are procuring the material from the vendor, but the material is not received to your company. That's what I need to show as a consumption, right? So that's what the system is selecting account assembly category. And item category, why system is showing? Because item category yes means third party. Okay, we are procuring, but the material is not coming, so we are procuring third party way, but at the same time the material is not coming to the stores. Okay, so that's what it is showing. Okay, so one account assignment to one and item category is here. Okay, so next observe your material, plant and store location. Okay, all these details, and go to account assignment tab. In account assignment tab, Sarwan Kumar, you can join 215. Okay, or I will keep a message in the group. Okay, so here you can see the sales order number also in this booking process. The sales order number, what is my sales order number? 12061. So you go to account assignment tab. In account assignment tab, okay, so now you can see the account assignment tab. So in account assignment tab, one minute. Okay, so here you can see account assignment sales order number. Observe all these details. Okay. Now copy the purchase requisition number. For the purchase requisition. Now what I need to do? So I need to create a order ME21. Go to ME21. Create a purchase order. So with reference to PR, so this PR number I need to enter here. So just I am giving the order to the vendor here. I am giving the order to the vendor. Okay. Now enter your purchase requisition number here. Enter your purchase requisition number. When I enter my purchase requisition number, system will pick all the details here from PR. Okay. So observe here. Now here which purchase recognition here? Enter your purchase recognition. Okay, and which vendor we are giving the order? 1000 vendor here. Okay, so 1000 vendor. The system is asking the price. Okay, I will enter the price also. 100 euros here. So now, please what we need to observe here also. So just the purchase request is created. I am converting purchase request to purchase order. So in purchase requisition, what are the details system will pick? Here also you can see account assignment category 1. Account assignment category 1 means third party. Item category S also third party. Account assignment category 1 also third party. And item category S also third party. Okay. And also you can observe your account assignment tab. You can see your sales order number, and you can see account assignment category, which vendor we are giving. Okay. So, but actually we are giving the order to the vendor. Why vendor need to dispatch? So here you see. So I am giving order to the vendor. So the order will be given from company to the vendor. But why vendor is not dispatching to the company? So if vendor is dispatched to the company, again company to the customer, unnecessarily the freight charges will be, delivery charges will be more, right? So that's what in PR also I forgot to show you PR. In PR also you can see the delivery address, whatever the customer address. So the vendor is, so this material is dispatching. So in normal POs, the here address will be the plant address. But in third party procurement, it is not plant address, is a customer address here. So means the material is dispatching to the customer here. Okay, simply click on message during check and you need to click on save. So once the PO will go to the vendor, okay. Whenever vendor is dispatched, we need to perform the goods receipt here. We need to perform the goods receipt. But here you need to write a note here. In third party procurement, so there is no physical goods receipt. Why there is no physical goods receipt here in third party procurement? Because the materials is not receiving to our company, right? The material is not receiving to the company, so there is no physical goods receipt. So if company required, it is a logical goods receipt is there. Okay. If company requires, we can, for record purpose, we can perform logical goods receipt. There is no physical goods. That also you can see here. If I'm trying to receive the, okay, so now copy the PO number. This is the latest PO number, right? So copy the PO number. Okay. Now when I'm receiving, so go and enter the goods receipt to go to Migo. In Migo, goods receipt, purchase order, enter the purchase order number. Okay, execute here. Okay. This actually what is showing? The purchase order has no items here. Why it is showing purchase order has no items? Because this is not a physical goods receipt here. So that's what is logical goods receipt. So if company required the record purpose, then where I can do here, go to ME22 here. Suppose if record purpose, the company is required the goods receipt, go to change mode of BPO. In delivery tab, you need to enable the goods receipt here. You need to enable the goods receipt. Now you can able to perform the goods receipt here for only record purpose. Logical goods receipt is not a physical goods receipt. Even though if you enter also, the stock will not be updated here. It will show GR account assignment here. Go to Migo. Now you can be able to perform the goods receipt. Enter the goods receipt number. Click execute here. Item okay. Material. The quantity where tab we can observe non store location. So here, see, I'm not able to enter the store location. Why? Because this goods receipt for account assignment here. The goods receipt for account assignment, not for physical goods. That's what there is no store location here. Even if you receive also, stock will not be updated. Only record purpose this goods receipt here. Purchase data, partner and account assignment here. And you need to click on check. Post. So once it is posted also, the stock will not be updated. For only record purpose, we perform the goods receipt. The invoice already you know how to prepare the invoice. Okay, the invoice already you know. So this is actually the system is not properly maintained the goods receipt that you observed here. Okay, invoice also just you see here MIRO. So previously we observed invoice the same way. There is nothing is difference here. Okay, invoice. Okay, just you need to enter the PO number and so it is normal. Previously you observed invoice the same way the invoice is. Okay. Means who will give the invoice here? The invoice will be given by the vendor people here. Okay, in their format again you need to prepare invoice. In MIRO we need to prepare the invoice previously we observed here. And what actually the customer will give. So for customer we need to create billing document. Okay, so where we will create this billing document here? Now go to VF01. So next step you need to write down create invoice in MIRO, and next step you need to write down create a billing document. Go to VF01. You need to prepare a billing document. What is your sales order number? 12061, right? Enter your sales order number 12061 here. So this is the sales order number. Okay. So, however, the billing document is not properly, okay, because purely create a billing document will be done by the purely SD people. Just to go and observe the VF01, okay, now you need to click on save it. Okay, the billing document number will be generated here. But actually, this is the purely SD people real time. So in real system only you can able to do properly this billing documents, not into training system. Okay, so this is what you can understand here VF01. So this is about complete altogether third party procurement. So what are the steps we observe? Third party procurement. So here we have customer, company, vendor. The customer will request the material. So mostly in real time for Hava trading goods. So we need to prepare the master like metal master. You need to create with align with the sales views, and you must select the material type as a Hava. And next create a vendor. So already we are having, and create a customer master record. Any customer in XG round. Once we prepare the master data, then prepare a sales order directly. So before going to prepare the sales order, what happened in real time? The customer will give the order to the company. Based on the customer order, we need to create a sales order in the system. So once the sales order is created in the system, so whenever you are creating sales order, the system will create PR automatically. That you can see the PR number. That PR will be converted into PO, but the delivery address is the customer address. The vendor will directly dispatch goods to the customer. Okay. Once the system is created, the PR, what we have the account assignment category and item category. Account assignment category 1 and category, yes here. Okay. And you will see the delivery address here. Okay. Now vendor, once the vendor will dispatch directly goods to the customer. Okay. So the vendor will go the invoice copy. Based on the invoice, we need to pay to the vendor, and we will create a billing document. So based on this billing document, we need to pay to the customer. So this is about third party procurement. So tomorrow also we plan session at 1:30 only. Okay, Lakshmi and SSV, please practice.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.